You are going to love the 2017 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.